Hello guys, I am Arvind. Welcome to this session, and this is continuation video of loops in C programming, and it is part 16. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss nesting of loops. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can create nested loops by placing one loop inside another loop, and the nested loops are also known as loop inside loop. And we can put any type of loop in another type. So for example, we can write a for loop inside another for loop, and we can also write a for loop inside while loop and while loop inside another while loop. So the most common is the nesting for loops. So guys, now moving ahead, and our next topic is why do we need nested for loops. So guys, we need nested for loops to store and access values from matrix or two-dimensional arrays. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of nested for loops. So this is the example of syntax of nested for loops, and here we are using a for loop inside another for loop. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is syntax of nested while loop. So guys, this is an example of nested while loop. So here we are using a while loop inside another while loop. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is syntax of nested do while loop. So guys, this is the syntax of nested do while loop, and here we are using one do while loop inside another do while loop. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn about nesting of for loops. So I have declared two integer variables I and j, and now in the for loop of I have assigned 1 to I. So this is the initialization part, and now it will check this condition. So the value of I is 1, so 1 less than 3. Now this condition is true. Now control will transfer to the for loop of j, and here the value of j is also 1, and then it will check this condition. So 1 less than 3, so this condition is also true, and then it will print the value of I and j. So the value of I and j will be 1 and 1, and now j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 2, and then 2 less than 3, so this condition will be true, and then it will print the value of I and j. So the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 2, so it will print 1 and 2, and now j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 3, and then it will check this condition. So 3 less than 3, so this condition becomes false. So control will come out from this j loop and I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 2 and 2 less than 3. Now this condition is true, and then control will transfer to the for loop of j, and here the value of j is 1 and 1 less than 3. Now this condition is true, then it will print the value of I and j. So the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1, so it will print 2 and 1, and then j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 2, and then it will check this condition. So 2 less than 3, now this condition will be true, and then it will print the value of I and j. So this time the value of I will be 2 and the value of j will also be 2, so it will print 2 and 2, and after that j++ will be incremented. So the value of j will be 3 and 3 less than 3, so this condition becomes false, and then control will come out from this j loop and I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 3, and then it will check this condition. So 3 less than 3, and this condition will be false. Now control will come out from this I loop. So guys, now if I run this program, it is printing the value of I and j. First time it is 1 1, and second time it is printing 1 2, and the third time it is printing 2 1, and the last time it is printing 2 2. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.